Hello, today I'm going to show you how to disable driver signature enforcement in Windows 11. Driver signature enforcement is a Windows security feature that ensures only verified and signed drivers are installed. While it helps protect your system, you may need to disable it temporarily to install certain unsigned drivers, especially for older or custom hardware. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Restart Options. Right-click on the Start button, then choose Shut Down or Sign Out and select Restart. While doing this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and keep it pressed until the system restarts. Step 2. Disable driver signature enforcement. After the restart, you will see a blue recovery screen. Click on Troubleshoot and choose Advanced Options. Continue by selecting Startup Settings and click Restart. Once your computer restarts again, a list of options will appear. Press the F7 key to choose Disable Driver Signature Enforcement. Your PC will now boot normally without driver signature enforcement enabled. Thank you for following this tutorial. I hope it helped you solve the issue. Take care and see you in the next guide.